Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your driver seat belt on a Hyundai Elantra. I'm sorry, not Elantra, Hyundai Accent. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be the same thing for the Elantra too, but this car I'm working on is the Accent, and it's a 2018 Accent. So yeah, we're gonna need to take off the rubber right here. So you just want to pull on the rubber like this. Alright, get on the other side, pull on the rubber, and what that do, it release these tabs right here, as you can see. Alright, so guys, yeah, so get the part. This is the part. The part number is right there. That's the part number right there. Let's get it out the box. So let's get it out the box and get the radio off. Alright, so this is what we're working with. This is how it comes, which means we gotta disconnect something from here, like right here. So this is how it comes. Alright, so let's get to it. After you peel off all this, we're gonna need to take off this piece first. So chase it down. You see it run under here, so we're gonna have to take up this panel right here. So you just want to go underneath and hold and pull up, and work your way. Work your way up. Get that out. Alright, so and it's gonna be the same thing for the back right here. Pull that out. I'm gonna pull up on it. Alright, so this is what we're trying to get out. Now what we're going to do is from here we're going to pull on this, work your way down, work both sides, and that will come out like that. This one you're going to pull on this too, get this off. So that's where we have so far, and down here. Before you disconnect the airbag, you want to make sure you have the car off also, so the airbag light, just to be safe, because this one, the seatbelt stopped working. As you can see, it's all the way out, it's not retracting, but the airbag light is not on the car, so I'm just gonna leave it plugged in. Alright, and it looked like somebody been in here before us and do some stuff, so that's why the airbag light is not on. So somebody put a resistor in here, so that's why the airbag light is not on. Need to unplug this from here. I'm squeezing the clip underneath it. I guess this car been in an accident, so that's why the airbag, the seat belt doesn't go back in. But let's see. So you want to get your clip puller under there, go back up on it like that, get that out of the way. I'm going to need to take this off right here, and take this off right here, and take this off right here. Alright. Alright, so it's best to come and do it from the back of the car. Put the front seat all the way forward. It's the same thing for that side, so it doesn't matter which front seat belt you change, it's gonna be the same thing right across the board. Alright. Put the front seat all the way to the front, and it's gonna give you more access to everything right here. Alright, we're gonna need to take out these screws also to get inside here to disconnect the seat belt from right here. Alright, so let's get to that. I'm gonna get a 10mm for right here. Alright, so I'm gonna get your 10mm for right here. And take this out. And this one right here gonna be a 12mm. Get this out. You can see somebody cut that off. That's not how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna get the new one and bring it next to the old one so you can see the difference. So guys, this is the old one right here. This is the new one right here. So as you can see, they cut off this part right here. See that? That's the difference. It's not going in. It loses the tension to retract itself. See. Alright. So we'll get that out for now. And this is the new one right here. So you might not move. It might not move when you first have it like this, because now it's not moving, but when you set it to the position of the car, it will get loose. Alright, it will free up when you set it to the position of the car. So don't worry about, oh, it's stuck, it's not moving, it's not good. It is good, you just can't pull it off from here. Alright, it's at the position of the car. You see it? You see now that it worked? Take it out the position, you see, it doesn't work, right? Or if you can mimic the position of the car, it will work too, like that. If you mimic the position, you see. But if it's not in the right position, it won't work. So your seatbelt is good if it don't retract. If you can't pull it out, don't throw it away. Try to put it in the car first, or try to get the position of the car. Should work like that. Alright, bring this up here. Bring this down here. And I'll put this right here. Tighten this up. Tighten this up. Alright. So now it's time to get into this black piece. We're gonna need to take out those two Phillips screws right here. Alright. So yeah, I screw it back out because I realize it's easier to plug it up from here. But I'm going to remove this this thing right here. It's a resistor. But in case your is plugged in case you're plugged in, you have two spring-loaded clip right here, and one on this side you pull back to get it loose, right here, get it focused. So right here you have a spring-loaded clip right here, you can pull back like that, and one on the other side. Alright, so you want to pull them and pull up on the pull out the clip. Alright, and let's see which way it goes in. It will go in, just take your time, spin it around and line it up and see where it goes in. You see the clip right here? Got one on this side and one on the other side. So this is what I was showing you. Pull this back up and pull back a little bit, and you see it stick up, and you do the same thing for the other side. So you would have to get a pick or a pry tool to get in there. Let me show you. So this is how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna pry this up right here and pry back on it a little bit so it stay up, and then you're gonna get the other side and do the same thing. But I'm gonna need my two hands to do it. But you get what you have to do to unplug it. Cause most of the time, if you're the only one gonna do your seatbelt, it's gonna always be plugged in. All right. And that's how you unplug it. All right. To go back up, plug it back the same way you take it out when you get the new one. Plug this right here. Got your 10mm screw right there, and your 14mm screw at the bottom. This right here. Remember what I was showing you? You need your two Phillips screw. You need a Phillips screwdriver to take out those two Phillips screw right there. So guys, bear with me. This is a 2018 car. It's my first time doing this. And when I was about to remove these two Phillips screw to take off the plastic piece right here to see what I need to do, I saw this hole right here. And if you look down in the hole, there's that little black thing right there. Let's see if I can show it to you. That right there that you're looking at, that's how you can take out the that's how you can take out this right here without taking out these two Phillips screw down there. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. And get something that can fit in here. Squeeze this, pull up on this, and this will come out like this. All right. You wanna get this now. All right. Take it out. So let's run everything through here. So run this through here. There, and you want to do the same thing. We run this through here. Sorry, I'm using my one hand to do this, so it's off camera. So run both of them. Alright, So what I'm gonna do before I put this part up, I'm gonna lock this into place right here. So that kind of helped me. So you just need it to lock it into place right here. Just need it to push down. So you need to push down on it real hard. So that's what I'm gonna do. And make sure the seat belt is straight before. Make sure there's no twist in the seat belt. All right. It's locked tight. As you can see, it's locked tight into place. Make sure there's no twist in the seat belt. So the seat belt is nice and straight. There, all the way up here into right here. So now you want to come and hook this into right at these two holes right there. Put that in. This go down and up. You need to make sure this goes on top right here. So you can push that all the way down. And like that. You get it to set like that, alright? So that's how it's supposed to look. All nice and tucked in. Squeeze it right here and it works up and down. So that's good so far, guys. So far so good. Now we need to get that black piece that go right here. Put this in first. Alright. Make sure you do it with the car off, so the airbag light don't turn on. Or your airbag light probably gonna be on. But after this, the airbag light should cut off. Catch this back down here. Make sure everything is flush. Do the same thing for the front too. Alright guys, so everything is all nice and tight. As you can see, no bulge in the rubber. Same thing for right here. I fixed the bulge that was here. I just ironed it up. Same thing for right here. Everything is nice and tight. Now it's time to crank the car on. Make sure the radio doesn't come on for copyright reason. And we can go ahead and crank the car up. You can see there is no airbag light on. That light is just to show you the door is open. So thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time. Thumbs up.